Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove chats and conversations you have had with the artificial intelligence on Meet AI. So let us guide you through this step by step. Head over to Meet AI, accessed for example via Google Chrome or any other web browser. Make sure that you logged in so that you may access all of your saved chats and conversations. And basically guys, all you need to do is simply click through or browse through your chat history here to the left, and simply click into the given chat here into these three dots you would like to delete. So let me go with this one here, click into it, select delete chat and confirm the deletion. Remember though that with the chat deletion, all of your media you have created through the given chat will be deleted as well. Like for example, if I head over to that chat, you will see that this chat features these images and photos. So deleting the chat and the conversation history will also delete all of that media. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.